In this CapCut mobile tutorial, I'll show you how to add a fade out animation to your text for a clean and professional ending. Let's start from the beginning. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type in the text you want to animate. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font style that suits your video. Any clean or readable font works well for fade out animations. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. This time, switch to the Out section, which controls how your text exits the screen. Scroll through the available options and apply the fade out animation. You'll immediately see your text smoothly disappearing at the end of the clip. To control the fade speed, use the duration slider. Drag the slider to the left for a slow, gentle fade. Drag the slider to the right for a fast, quick fade. Preview the animation and adjust the duration until it matches the timing of your video perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully added a fade out text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut mobile text animation tutorials.